Why do your knuckles make a sound when you crack them? You see, most people think it's your bones snapping together, and that's why it sounds so loud. But that's actually not what's happening at all. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But before I tell you if you love money more than your mom, ignore this, but if you love your mom more than money, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, also comment. I love you, Mom. Inside your joints is a slippery fluid called synovial fluid, filled with tiny gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, it creates pressure that forms small gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse or dissolve, they produce the familiar cracking sound.